Clinkenbeard is an innovator in the rapid development of complex parts and assemblies, a competitive advantage necessary for aerospace, defense, heavy truck, power gen, and industrial applications. AS9100 certification and ITAR compliance, mixed with more than 50 years of proven expertise in engineering, advanced machining, and foundry tooling capabilities, Clinkenbeard can dramatically accelerate the product development process, from initial concept to prototyping and production to complete training and simulation systems. As the demand for robust training and simulation increases in aerospace and Department of Defense, Clinkenbeard is leading the way with the development of full-scale mechanical solutions. Devices such as engine assemblies, for example, can be produced at a fraction of the cost of production-grade components, yet provide valuable real-world training. Specialized skills and manufacturing capabilities come together to form a unique mix of machined, cast, and fabricated components designed to be virtually indistinguishable from the real thing. The results are training systems that are extremely accurate, durable, and provide an ideal platform for mechanics and technicians to learn operation, maintenance, and repair procedures. Clinkenbeard is also pioneering the next level of training systems by pairing physical devices with video and augmented reality simulation. Combining the physical with digital delivers state-of-the-art training solutions and completely immersive experiences. In addition to training systems, Clinkenbeard is AS9100 certified and ITAR compliant, which means Clinkenbeard can support product development programs for many types of customers and in a number of ways. Success comes from a healthy sense of urgency, knowledge in a wide range of engineering and manufacturing processes, and the highest quality possible. In early phases of development, Clinkenbeard supports engineering teams with critical engineering and design for manufacturing input. With cutting-edge software and digital simulations, design prototypes allow technical and non-technical staff to collaborate early for the best product downstream with regards to manufacturability and cost. Clinkenbeard takes product development from digital to tangible with rapid manufacturing technologies. State-of-the-art manufacturing, metal casting, fabrication, and additive manufacturing allows product development teams to quickly get hands-on with prototypes to verify form, fit, and function of complex parts and assemblies. As product development goes from prototyping to production, Clinkenbeard provides reliable solutions for complex manufacturing challenges to deliver turnkey parts on time and on budget. Clinkenbeard's ability to support programs from prototyping to production creates a seamless transition of manufacturing processes, quality assurance, and transfer of knowledge to maintain excellent lead times. Clinkenbeard, accelerating the development of complex products and training systems, giving customers the competitive advantage they need by providing highly specialized capabilities gained from decades of manufacturing experience.